I've said yes to the Buteyko breathing method 3 times in a span of more than 2 decades. Yes means seriously doing it and getting the results. Why 3 times? Many things happened in my life and I stopped practicing the method. So I was not consistent. I suffered from chronic asthma, severe sinusitis, and skin allergies since I was 3 years old. My mom, who was a doctor, had me treated by all her colleagues who subjected me to everything that modern medicine could offer. Almost yearly, I was hospitalized. I was on all types of bronchodilators, used nebulizers, had skin tests for allergens, no pets, no alcohol. And when I had no asthma attacks, I would have eczema all over my body. They were oozing and were very painful. It was frustrating for a girl like me because I was not able to wear a dress. If I had to, I would wear very thick stockings to cover the allergies. So, but things got better when I got married. But I almost died in the recovery room after giving birth to my 6th child at the age of 38. During my pregnancy, my doctors did not allow me to take any medications, bronchodilators or corticosteroids, even if I was having daily asthma attacks. Why? Because they wanted the baby to be safe. The baby, not me, okay? Take note of that. So then that got me thinking, is asthma an incurable disease? And could this really become worse in the long run? So after a month of having my brush with death, my pulmonologist wanted to confine me with the IV, steroids, and antibiotics. But then Providence brought me to a free introductory lecture of Dr.Buteyko, the Buteyko practitioner. And his explanation of the method blew me away. Why? Because I've been an asthma sufferer. And everything that he explained was a totally different perspective. First, I said yes to it. That was my first yes because it was natural. I was sick and tired of all the drugs that I have been taking that never really worked and which I believe made my asthma worse. Second, I desperately wanted freedom. And the concept of being able to produce my own medicine was for me very liberating. And that medicine was CO2. So what were the benefits? They were like, it was like magical, not immediate though, but the severe asthma attack I was having then was resolved in time because I seriously practiced the method for several months. The frequency of my asthma attacks were reduced until they were totally gone. The allergy subsided, my skin became clear eventually. And you know what impressed me the most? It was my disposition. I'm a type A choleric person, and I became more calm. And that made a lot of difference in my family life, which became more pleasant. And I lost more than 20 pounds, so I'm down to my ideal weight. And I now look younger, and my skin is clear, even my legs, okay? I had sleepless nights, so now I can sleep immediately by simply doing the exercises. Will you waver like me for 20 years? If not now, when? If not you, who? Who will take care of yourself? I've decided to take care of myself. What does it take? First, the courage. That's built my character. The courage to go on an adventure because this is going to be tough. The detoxification part was, oh my gosh. But with the help of the Buteyko practitioner, I was able to do it. Say yes and see for yourself because it really works. You know what excites me? It's the freedom. You can do it anytime. And life has become beautiful because of it. So I really thank Dr. Buteyko. He had fortitude. And then to thank Christopher for bringing this to the rest of the world. Say yes and see for yourself.